Alright, so this is what I'm using. I found a screw that fits in here, and I put a nut on it so that it has more than one spot to clamp. And just put it in here, and then spin these in sandpaper until they kind of get rid of all the marks and everything. Um, I'm not exactly a perfectionist, but I think that like this is a pretty good start. I would like to get them a little bit better. But I mean, I don't know how long it took to print these, maybe 2 hours. So um, I'm really glad somebody put a file up here for it, because I don't really know anywhere to buy these. I'm sure that they would be, at least $1 a piece if you could. But it'd probably be more like $5 a piece. So you have 5, 10, 15, $20. And I mean, you could print a ton of these with a $15 roll of any of this stuff, really. But I'm using the PETG. Um, these ones here, I could sand it and do whatever with it, but this one here, I don't know what it would look like once I sand it. I'm gonna go ahead and try. So let's see what happens. I mean, really, what do I have to lose, right? Now, with this one here, I'm going to go ahead and do it by hand. And basically, I just want to scuff it up. I don't want to look at this shiny crap. So there's like some kind of crap on it here. I wish it would have printed the front like a little smoother. I don't understand that. So yeah, I probably wouldn't go throwing this on my G90 anytime soon. But I put the one on the 450 because that thing's horrible. The VFO on the 450, absolutely horrible. I hate it. So as soon as I get a little bit better at this, I'm going to take some of these things and I will change the files for appearances. Also, manipulating the print settings could probably do quite a bit. So there's like a booger on the VFO right here. I'm just trying to be careful not to like take too much off. So what I'm trying to do is put like a bolt in it. Just anything that will go in there. Enough for me to grab onto it and possibly put it in the drill. I think the problem I'm going to run into though is that all these bolts are too big to fit in the chuck of the drill. So I ended up finding this like little thumb screw thing. So we'll see if that will work or not. Holy hell, Batman. Yeah, it's not going to work because I can't get it to clamp down on it evenly. Jesus Christ. So you can't do that. So anyway, I just don't want to sit here and sand this for days. So I'm going to take a break with this, and I'll deal with it later while I'm waiting for stuff to print. So, plus I need to see if it'll even fit on the radio. But definitely, once you sand these, yeah, they're going to look a little bit better, I think. So, thanks for watching.